Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is the Asian Mechanic Guy, and for today, guys, this is the second part of the 2007 Mitsubishi Lancer radiator replacement. So guys, let's go straight all the way to the car, and as you can see, we got this brand new radiator. So join me today, guys, and we are going to install this brand new radiator for this car. So guys, this is our brand new radiator, and guys, before we install this brand new radiator, we need to put some lubrication in here, where you put the radiator fan and also the condenser, so it would be easy for us to slide those parts. So same thing in here. And also at the back. So any lubricant, guys, will do. I just use this liquid wrench. There you go. So guys, I hope you could see that lower hose right there. So we will be starting to insert that, guys. So guys, don't forget to put this rubber support so you can align it when installing it. So now let's start over here. So guys, now it's been aligned. Now we are going to insert that hose right there, and that's pretty much it. And then install the condenser, the radiator fan, and I mean, like, that's how easy in installing this radiator, guys. It's not really that complex. It's just, have some patience putting all those parts. So let's do it, guys. There you go. Right there, guys. So it's really important to put some lubrication, guys, so it will slide smoothly. Now it's been installed already, guys. Now we can put this condenser. So again, we're just gonna slide it. So the trick, guys, is put some lubrication on it. So I'm gonna put a little bit more. Guys, let's slide it. I cannot give you a good view, but basically just align it, top and the middle, and then just slide it down. There you go. If you hear that click, meaning it's already inserted. So in putting it back, it's super easy, guys, but in removing, it's a little bit harder. So see that? So again, lubrication is the main key of this installing, guys. Put some lubrication. WD-40 is a good lubrication too. Alright, and now let's put back the radiator fan. So again, guys, let's put some lubrication. I hope you could see it. Yeah, there you go. Now let's put it back. So very careful, guys, not to scratch the new radiator. Oops. Alright guys, take the other way. Yeah, other way. Okay, then just align it. Okay. Nice. Keep it here. Okay. Put here. Good. Now guys, it's aligned. Just push it down and you hear a click. There you go. That's it guys. It's pretty much done. Now let's just put all those, hoses, bracket, and that's pretty much it. Alright guys, let's put back all those wire, hoses, bracket. Alright guys, so it's pretty much done. Now the hoses. Okay. Alright guys, I already installed all the bolts. So there were like 3 in here, 1 here, 1 over here, and then 4 on the top. Then the hose, the connection for the wiring connection for the radiator fan, and that's it. Let's put coolant and then let's try to start it. Right guys, let's put some coolant on. So guys, I'm using my bleeder panel. So as you can see guys, the air bubbles coming up. So guys, this is very good tools for bleeding your coolant. So but anyway, I'm gonna feature this on my future video, this coolant bleeder tools. So let's wait for another few minutes and then let's start the car. Alright guys, let's start the car. Okay guys, let's let the car run for like 15 minutes until all the bubbles will air bubbles will go up. So guys, there's still a lot of bubbles coming out. So let's wait for 15 minutes. Then I will be showing you guys after, you know, after 15 minutes. Alright guys, I don't see any air bubbles coming out anymore. So we are going to shut off the car. And then after we shut off the car, and also guys, turn on your blower fan and put it on maximum heat. Now let's turn this off. Now, okay. And then guys, after we turn off the car, let's leave the coolant here for another 15 minutes. So it will be like a totally bleed and no air bubbles on the system. Alright guys, after 15 minutes, and as you can see, there is no more bubbles. So guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. And guys, please support this channel by subscribing. Don't skip ads as a support for this channel guys, and I promise you to bring at least 2 car repair videos in maintenance for every car that we are bringing here in my garage. So guys, if you have any question, any suggestion, please comment down below. And that's it for today guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.